Hi, welcome back to another video and how-to from WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today we're going to do an easy, as always, do-it-yourself dog treat. We're going to do a chicken jerky marinated in apple cider vinegar. Who doesn't love chicken jerky, especially our four-legged ones? So let's get started. Just a few things you need and from the kitchen, and grab your four-legged ones. Come on and let's start. For today's easy do-it-yourself dog treats, it couldn't be any easier. A large bowl, apple cider vinegar, and chicken breast thinly sliced. I get the Purdue brand. It doesn't have to be. It can be any brand from the grocery store. It's approximately 3 to 5 thin slices per container. And today I'm going to do 8 containers today I'm going to be doing. Again, you can do one package. You can do 10 packages, however much your dehydrator can hold. You're going to need a large bowl, apple cider vinegar, and your choice of chicken breast thin sliced. I use Purdue. Again, it can be any brand from the grocery store. Each container is about 3 to 6 thin slices. Today, I'm going to be doing approximately 8 packages is how many my dehydrator holds. Again, you can do just one package. You can do as many as possible that your machine allows. Let's get started. I'm going to carefully puncture and open each package. After you're done opening all your packages, I'd recommend, please, your cutting utensil to clean that off from any raw poultry. And make sure you have some gloves on. And we're going to take each thin piece, make sure they're separated, and put them in our bowl. And once we have all the thinly sliced chicken breasts in the bowl, pour in our apple cider vinegar and let that sit for a little bit before we load up our dehydrator. Let's speed this up. Now that we have all our thin chicken breast sliced in our bowl, we're going to add our apple cider vinegar. And we'll get pretty close to the top of the bowl. Gloves or a spoon, I would just do a quick stir and move them around. That way there's no air bubbles and the apple cider vinegar hits all the pieces of the chicken breast. I think it's pretty well mixed. And we're going to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. What this is going to do, it's going to help prevent your chicken from burning, and it's going to give it a nice golden look for the dog treats. Again, depending on your dehydrator, I have 10 trays I'm going to be filling up. Yours may be only a few. It may be a round one where you put the pieces in and then do the next layer. Let's get them loaded on the dehydrator trays and get them in and start dehydrating. We have all our chicken laid out on our trays. I usually do about an inch gap between all the pieces. That way it will dry more evenly instead of being close up on each other, and may not be able to dry as efficient. So we're going to close that up. And as per our dehydrator, we're going to set it at 165 degrees. And I'm going to put them in for approximately 24 hours. Again, just verify with your machine and instruction booklet for the time setting on poultry. And we'll check up on it periodically. And we'll see you after the 24 hours. Our jerky's done. It's been 24 hours. They should be nice and golden and crisp. And pretty solid. As long as your jerky's all done and hardened up and cooked and nice and crisp, I would suggest a Ziploc, a large, maybe like a gallon bag, and they should be shelf stable for a couple weeks if they last that long with your four-legged ones. Most importantly, the test.